Welcome to this technical guide on the PlayStation 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your PS5 is getting hot and shutting down mid-game, you're not alone. This overheating issue can occur due to dust accumulation, which restricts airflow and causes the console to overheat. If left unchecked, this can lead to more serious damage and potentially costly repairs down the line. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a T8 Torx screwdriver, a soft cloth, thermal paste, and some compressed air. First, ensure your PS5 is completely powered off and unplugged. Begin by placing the console on a flat surface to avoid any accidents. Gently remove the side panel by sliding it off, ensuring that you take your time to avoid any damage. Once you have access to the internals, look for the cooling unit, which is typically located near the back of the console. You'll notice that it has a large heatsink attached. Carefully unscrew the screws holding it in place using the T8 Torx screwdriver. Be mindful of the screws, as they can be easily lost. As you remove the cooling unit, take care to disconnect any attached cables gently to avoid damage to the motherboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the cooling unit is free, use the compressed air to blow out any dust that may have accumulated in the vents and on the heatsink. This step is crucial in ensuring adequate airflow. After cleaning, if necessary, apply a thin layer of thermal paste on the CPU before reattaching the cooling unit. Make sure you screw it back in securely but avoid over-tightening, as this can cause damage. Reconnect any cables that were previously disconnected, ensuring everything is in its rightful place. Finally, slide the side panel back onto the console, making sure it clicks into place. To verify that the PS5 is functioning properly, plug it back in and power it on. Monitor the temperature during gameplay to ensure the issue has been resolved. To prevent this problem from occurring in the future, make it a habit to clean your console regularly and ensure it is placed in a well-ventilated area. Avoid using it on carpets or enclosed spaces that can trap heat. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.